Hey guys, today I'm very excited to introduce to you a new feature that I have been working on for a couple of weeks now, and it is about adding Teams support to SaaSykit Tenancy. So before that feature, you only had the ability to invite users to the tenant, to your tenant basically, and these tenants could also have some kind of a role which gives them some kind of permissions that they can do, some stuff that they can do and some stuff that they cannot do within that tenant. But now you have the ability to let your users organize themselves into teams, and these teams also can have a role, so each team can have role or multiple roles actually, and based on these roles all the users within this team will actually enjoy this role. So they have these permissions that these roles actually provide. So without further ado, let's just have a look at it. So here in the SaaSykit Tenancy, I am on the dashboard of the user. As you can see here on the left side, we have the team management and we have users, invitations, roles, and teams. So anything that is related to the invitations and teams you will find in this place. Let's go to teams. For example, we have a team already in place, team 1. It has one member. Let's maybe go and create a team. For a team, you would need to just give a name, so maybe we can say team 2. And here you can actually assign roles to that team, multiple roles if you want. So let's say we would like to assign the admin role to this team. So any person who joins this team should be an admin, basically, can see all of these things. So let's create that one. And we can actually assign a member from here, so add a team member if it already exists. But you can also invite users. So if the user doesn't exist, or that the user doesn't exist in this tenant, basically the tenant admin can actually invite that user. So create a new invitation, let's say just an email, whatever, like invited user, let's use this one, invited user 3, let's say. And you can actually assign a role to the user. It's an optional. Maybe you can also do nothing, assign no role to the user, but you can assign the team for them. Once they join, they would be part of this team. So let's say we want them to be part of team 2 once they join, and then we can create. Now the user should have received already an email, and once they register, they will be able to join that tenant and enjoy this role as part of this team. So let's open another browser, which is Chrome here, and let's create this user basically. So let's say the user was, I think that was called invited.user 3. I think invite user 3. Let's go back and copy that, and then we will go here to my invitations. We will find a new invitation that this user is invited to this workspace. Once they accept, they join, and as you can see, they are an admin, so that you can see everything here. And let's say if we want to go to the teams, team 2, we can kick out this user. As you can see, it's already there. We can kick them out if we want. So remove that team member, and once we go back again here and refresh, we should see nothing here on the left, because now the user has no permissions to see anything. It's just they can see the landing page, the dashboard. So using this feature, you can easily offer the Teams functionality to your users, and you can even assign these teams to your product. Based on the product that you are building, you can assign some certain resources to that team, and you can, sky's the limit. You can be creative as much as you can, but this is like the complete base for Teams is already there, and you can use it as you wish. And as you already know, we already have the roles. You can allow your tenant admins to create roles actually from here, and also use them and assign them to teams or assign them directly to users if you prefer. And you can come here to the users, and once you land here on this page, you can see that you can see the team basically of each of these users. You can also again change the role of that user, or remove the user altogether from the tenant, and they will be kicked out completely. There is a new event that I also added that is being fired when a user joins the team basically, and the name of that is very creative: user join team. So once a user joins the team, this event will be like dispatched. You can listen to that event and implement whatever you want. So this also gives you freedom to be flexible and build things on top of that feature as you wish. And last but not least, as with any feature in SaaSykit, I build that with configuration in mind, like ease of configuration. You can easily enable or disable this feature under settings. Of course, we are in the admin panel now, settings, tenancy, and under tenancy settings, you can allow teams or not. So if we disable this one and save and go back to the dashboard, to the user dashboard, you will not find teams and you will not find anything related to teams here. Just basically teams disappeared. So even from the invitations and everything. So if you need this feature, you can easily enable it, and if you don't need it, you just keep it turned off, and that's it. So that's pretty much it. I hope that you will find this feature useful and that will make your life easier, and see you in another video in the future about a new feature. Keep building great things.